Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can log into your Wells Fargo banking account. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search www.wellsfargo.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Wells Fargo's website. Then on your right hand side there you'll see the option of sign on. Tap on it. Select if you want to continue with app or you want to continue with browser. Now enter your username and your password that is associated to your account. If you want to save your username, tap on the square box, and when you are done, tap on sign on. After you tap on sign on, you'll be able to log into your Wells Fargo banking account. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.